Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, and it's pretty heavy, we have our Fabfitfun box for the season, for the winter season. So this one here, for those of you that don't know, it is a seasonal box. And every box that they send you is curated to pretty much go with whatever season, they send it to. Right now we have winter for December, so we expect to get a lot of winter-ish products in the box. So let's just get in and see what we have. Like I mentioned, this one is pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what we have in here. We have our magazine here, like we always get one. This one gives you, like editor, story, and then just like little different things inside. And they also give you the different products that you could have gotten on your box, because if you're a member, an annual member, I think you get to personalize your box. So they show you here, all the other products that you could have chosen and the retail value prices for each item. So that's what we have in here. We have a few little, random things. And let's go inside. I'm gonna get the very first one that's at the very, very top. It is a bracelet from Adore. It's really nice. It looks like it is a rose gold tone kind of color. It's really, really pretty. It's just a circle. And it has a small little tiny Swarovski crystal right on there. And it just says it is available in Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and adorejewelry.com. So it's a really, really pretty bracelet. I just hope that it fits my wrist. I have very, very tiny wrists. Sometimes I have to get like kids sizes, well, on everything, shoe size, everything. I have a very tiny wrist, so a lot of the times these are too long and they'll like fly out. So hopefully this is not too long and it can actually work, because it's really nice. So first item, not too bad. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. And then it says, this one is from Frank Body. And it says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. So, it's an original coffee scrub. And it's an 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. This is what it looks like here. I'm curious to see what this looks like. Since it says it's a coffee scrub, does it look like just regular like coffee grounds? Ooh, it smells like coffee. Wait, am I gonna smell like coffee once I soak in? Wait, no, this is just a scrub. You're not supposed to soak. So it's not like a bath salt or anything like that. It just says massage the scrub over the entire body. Obviously, this is a waterproof bag, so you just have to make sure you reseal it, and you use this 2 to 3 times a week. So it honestly looks like the let me see if I can show you guys. It looks like the coffee grounds that just come out of the coffee machine once you like brew your coffee. Like that's what that looks like, and that's what it feels like too, because it feels a little bit moist and it smells like coffee. So I can see this being like a very like re-energizing like a shower once you come out, like feel like refreshed and awake, because you're not only drinking the coffee, you're also like rubbing it on your body. So I'm excited to try this one out. It's just gonna smell like, the shower's gonna smell like I'm brewing my own coffee in there. So let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have a lot of things in here this time. I'm gonna grab this one, and this one is from Beauty Bakery. I have actually not tried anything from Beauty Bakery before, so this would be my first palette from them. It says the proof is in the pudding, and it is an eyeshadow palette. So this is the outside. It has a sleeve, so let me take it out of here. Oh, these are really big pans. So this is what the palette looks like. It is an eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of soft, like neutral colors. And you have 4 metallics and 5 matte eyeshadows, and they're really, really nice. When you just want to do something simple, soft, and pretty nice. So I'm excited to try these out as well because, like I said, this is my first beauty bakery item. Let me see what else we have in here. Up next, we have something from, I think, Cuccio. That's probably how you pronounce it. Cuccio somatology, something like that. Yoga, calm and clean, Epsom salt, hand and body wash. So, can you use this as a hand soap and as a body wash? So it says daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. So this is what it looks like. It's just a plastic bottle, blue, with a little pump here. So if this is supposed to be like a shower gel, I think it would be a waste of money if you use it just as a hand soap. I don't know if that's what that means, but ooh, it smells really good. It smells like lavender, so I can see this being like very relaxing when you shower. Like once you come out, like you'll be nice and relaxed, especially if you use it in the night. So like I don't know, I think we're getting pretty good things here. So like this one, I'm also excited to try out to see if it gives me any type of relaxing in the shower, because I am running out of my shower gel. I am in need of another one, so I'm going to try this one out as soon as I'm out of the other one. Let's see. Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one. We have something from Dry Bar. This is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This I will most definitely use because my hair, once it starts getting a little bit longer, it gets tangled really, really easily, especially as I'm coming out of the shower. Okay, so this is what our bottle looks like. It's very liquidy in here. It's not like, I usually expect these to be the consistency of maybe a conditioner, like a leave-in conditioner, but this is very liquidy. So I don't know if maybe just so it can get like a dip deep within the hair when it's tangled. I don't know, maybe that makes it easier. Smells, it has a nice soft fresh like clean scent. So again, I'm excited to use this one because I do need a detangler a lot. I need all the help I can get when it comes to my hair. Our next item here, it is from Original Pink Makeup Eraser. And for those of you that have not tried these are amazing. Just by adding water to this little cloth, it really does take your makeup off. Whoa, this one's big. I don't have one this big, but this one, I guess this is the full size. And it's just a little, like soft towel. It just looks like a little microfiber towel, but even if you just add water, it will take all your makeup off. And if you have like the micellar water, I think it's called, I think that's how you pronounce it, that will help take it off really, really easily. And all you have to do is wash this and it's ready for another use. So these come in super duper handy when you're just lazy to wash your face, but you have to take your makeup off. This is gonna be your best friend. So this is a really good item to have in here, and like this one's a full size. I think the ones that I have are about half of this, so this one's huge. So that's pretty awesome to have in the box. Let me see, I think we're down to our 2 items. Ooh, oh, this is heavy. We have what looks like a blanket here. It says unhide for love, not fur. So cute. Let me see. This is pretty heavy. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is so soft. I can just imagine this being like so nice and warm. I think this is the regular like throw size. I already just threw the wrap, the thing that it was wrapped with. I just already threw it out. It was so hard to get out of that thing. But it feels super duper soft. I'm super excited. I love blankets, especially right now during the winter. I just like to throw them on the couch. So whenever, I'm watching TV, movie, show, anything, I always grab my blanket. And it's just so comfortable. I really, really like these. Oops. I got my lipstick on it. So I'm super happy that we have this one here. Okay, so I have one item left, and I hope, oh, they look big. I got them. Okay, so we have some slippers here from PJ Salvage, and I got them in the size small medium, but they look kind of big. I hope they fit because I'm a size 5.5, 6 in women. So I really hope they fit. I love slippers. Again, whenever I'm home, that is literally all I wear because I don't like to walk around barefoot. I know a lot of people walk around barefoot, around their house, but I don't like to. When we were younger, my mom would always get mad at us because we would walk around, with our socks. And she would always say, you guys don't have to wash your socks. So if you guys get them dirty and stained, you guys don't have to worry about it. So she would always, either make us put our shoes on or slippers or whatever. So ever since then, I have to be wearing at least slippers around the house because if not, that's just in my brain. I don't know. But so what we have here, this is a plastic sole. And on the top, it's like a knitted kind of material. And we have fur on the inside. So again, they are, or they feel like they will be very, very, very warm on your feet, and my feet are always cold. So I'm actually happy that we got some slippers. So that one was our last product from our box. So let me grab the little pamphlet and let me give you retail prices for these, and then I'll give you a total box value so you guys can see or so you guys can get an idea more or less what the value of the box is. Okay, so the first item that we have, let me see. The first item is Unhide Little Marshmallow, which is our little blanket here. Oh my God. So this one, retail price is $65. Then we have the slippers, PJ Salvage Full Trim Cable Slippers. Retail value for the slippers are $45. Oh my God. I don't even want to pay like $20 at like Ross. These are $45. Okay, and then we have our bracelet, Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in Rose Gold. Retail value for that one is $39. People are crazy. Okay. Then we have the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Palette. That one is $38. Then what's up next? Let me see. The Cuccio Somatology Calm Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. $39.95 for that little tiny bottle. This one, $40 for this one here. Then the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This one here is $23. They're crazy. Then the Makeup Eraser in Original Pink is $20. And then the very last item, the coffee, the Frank Body. This one here, Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub is $16.95. So let me get my numbers from my sister back there. What is it, Cindy? $286 with 90 cents. Yes, 90 cents. Why 90 cents? I don't know, but there's 90 cents in there. So $286 with 90 cents is the total value of this box. And let me just show you the pages really quick, what I was looking at, so you guys can get an idea of the different items that they put in the box. So this is page 1, and this is just like a lot of the products. So if you get to customize, you can choose between which ones you get. If you can't customize, they pretty much choose it for you. But these are like different options. You guys can see some of the products that I got, that I chose for myself. This is a second page. You guys can see all the products there. And then there is a third page. All the products here. And then here is the product information where I get the prices and all of that. So you guys have a general idea of, what comes in the boxes. I personally love this box. We get it quarterly. and it is $49.99. But I think the items that we get in here are pretty awesome, and they range from like all the categories: beauty, lifestyle, kitchen, like everything, jewelry, makeup. So it's, they always have a good mix of things in here. So I personally really like my box this season. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys got anything that's awesome that you guys really enjoy down in the comments below. So those are all of my products. So that is all for me for today. I will be back with another video very, very soon. Remember, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. That is all for me. I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.